Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the lower dish rack wheel and axle assembly in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new lower dish rack wheel and axle assemblies. There are 8 wheel and axle assemblies installed on a lower dish rack assembly. They support the dish rack and allow it to roll in and out. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if it breaks off jamming the dish rack. To get at the part, we need to open the door. Now we're going to roll out the dish rack, and I'm going to pull out the silverware basket. Now we can remove it. Let's place the dish rack on the counter, and now we can take all the wheels off. As you can see, we're missing one already. I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver to spread the tabs. Be careful, do not hurt yourself. I'm going to open it a little bit, and I'm going to pull it and push it off. And now do the rest of them the same way. This is the old lower dish rack wheel and axle assembly next to the new one. If you don't have these parts, you can get them from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before installing new wheels, we need to make sure that the shafts are clean. So I'm going to use a nice sponge here. And now we're going to install all the wheels on. And bring it in like this. Slide the opening over this shaft. Align that tabs and push it in. And the next one, same way. All right, let's install it into the dishwasher. Let's place the dish rack onto the door. Now we're going to install the silverware basket. The bottom goes into that, and we have 2 hooks on the top that goes over the wire here. Push it down, and now we can slide it in. And now we can close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.